Hello, YouTube. Rigor from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin here. We're back. I'm doing the next episode on the Glasstream 18. This, if you recall, this is kind of our Frankenboat or resto mod, whatever you want to call it, that my family and I did. And we're going to redo the interior, which was totally parched. I hope you enjoy the episode, and thanks for watching. We started work on the front seats in the bow rider section of the Glasstream. Basically, the upholstery was ripped, and the wood inside the seat. One of them was usable and just needed to be coated in resin, and the other one was rotted and needed to be recreated. We were trained a local upholstery shop to basically we provided the base and the foam cushion and the color scheme, and they created the covering for the seats in the bow rider area. For other parts of the boat, like the seat for the driver and the passenger, or not the passenger, well, the passengers, some of those seats were too far gone and kind of out of style. So we basically bought new seats with a neutral white color and put them in. That basically takes care of the seats in the boat. Move on to the rest of the interior. Our next task was to put in or to rebuild the side trim. That's the cushions along the gunnel of the boat, and put in the carpeting, which we glued in on the floor. The side pieces along the gunnel, we recreated all of the plywood inside, stapled back on new upholstery, and that's, of course, the wood was all encapsulated in resin. And this gets us down to our first float test. And yes, the boat does float, it moves, and the motor runs. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe.